Kiara, how to say flowers in Italian?
Florie.
Dili ka lito. Si Kiara guys, it's a lagi guys, Christmas na gid guys. Christmas na gid. Christmas na gid guys, oh. Daghan na kayo siya, oh. Christmas light. Now we are going to ask our Daddy Italiano how to say Christmas light in Italian.
Luci di Natale.
Ah, okay. Luci di Natale guys. Luci di Natale ang Christmas light, okay? TV. Naglanto-lanto si Daddy Italiano og TV. We are going to ask Daddy Italiano how to see TV in Italian. Daddy, how to see TV in Italian?
Televisione
Or
TV.
TV. Ah, televisione. Pareho ra guys. Same ra, no? Televisione or TV. Pareho ra. Same. Ari guys, naabot tay microphone diri guys. Now we are going to ask Daddy Italiano. Daddy Italiano, how to say microphone in Italian?
Microfono.
Ah, mikropono. Murag pareho ra sa Bisaya guys, no? Mikropono ra pud to, di ba? So mao na siya guys, mikropono. Naglanta-lanta mo gud midrig mga gamit guys. Oh, mga appliances. Oh. Kaya mo palit man daw si Daddy Italiano. Si Kiara kid is here. Hi Kiara! Hi. Naka-uniform pa guys. Hi Kiara! ID pa. Oh, naka-ID pa guys, oh. Oh, kadagan ng mga flowers diri guys. Oh, flowers.
For you.
Wow, flowers. Now guys, I will going to ask Kiara. Kiara, how to say flowers in Italian?
Florie.
Dili ka lito. Si Kiara guys, it's a Fiori. Yes, perfect na. Fiori guys, in Italian is Fiori. Oh, kanay sa mga flower, oh. Oh, Fiori. Nice. Ari pa, oh. Artificial flowers na ni siya guys. Cute. Kita ta diri og clock guys. So, pangutan natin si Kiara kung kabalo siya sa Italian aning clock. Kiara, how to say clock in Italian?
Orologio.
Oh, orologio. Guys, ang clock in Italian. Okay. Nice. Now guys, we are going to ask Daddy Italiano. What is bridge in Italian word? Okay, Kiara, what is bridge in Italian? Hello guys. Nag-travel demi today guys, no? Because we are going to SM Seaside.
Wow.
And then guys, nag-ano mi guys, nag-agi mi diri sa bridge guys, going to SM Seaside kay Sisilix. Asan siya bridge, no? Sisilix, Cordova Bridge.
Mami.
Cordova Bridge, John.
You said you, Mami.
Arita sa bridge ni Agi guys, no? A bridge arita sa Sisilix Bridge tani Agi. Karon we are going to ask Daddy Italiano what is bridge in Italian. Now guys, we are going to ask Daddy Italiano what is bridge in Italian word. Okay, we ask na guys. Wait Kiara, wait.
Milang.
Okay, Papa, what is a bridge in Italian? Okay, you ask.
Papa, what's bridge in Italian?
Ponte.
Okay, Kiara, what is bridge in Italian?
Ponte.
Yes, ponte guys, ang bridge in Italian.
Yes. Mama.
Guarda,